Camera's rolling. So do you want to explain what you're making here?
Yeah, I'm making some yummy spaghetti.
With marinara sauce? Mmm. Can you tell the audience how you're making this?
We have to mix it like that, and when we're done with the spaghetti, we're going to dip it in there. See that big dripping?
Mmm.
Put that away. Put that right there. We have some coconut juice in here. And there's the eggs. We're going to get the coconut juice out. To get the coconut juice before you pour it, but I measure it.
You measured it?
Yeah. See, the coconut juice is really nice and smoothie, and it's really juicy, and it's really yummy. There we go. Let's save this other coconut juice for later.
You want to hold the coconut so we could see the coconut on camera?
Yeah.
I'm going to zoom in on the coconut. Let's see. And that's special from Hawaii.
Yep. We're just going to use a little bit of coconut juice because if you don't, then our spaghetti is not going to taste really good.
Mmm.
Put a little bit cold water in it. We pushed it forward, but I measure it. I'm gonna mix it. Have my mix. Let's move everything. Okay, move that. Have my mix. Move the bottle. Move the spaghetti.
You want to make it a point to always look at the camera so the people can see your beautiful face.
Mama, are you staying? Are you going home?
Yeah, I have to go home today.
Ah.
Yeah, because I have to work tomorrow.
After you go to work and I go to school, can you come to my house?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like coming to your house, Emiko-chan. Thank you for having me here. Spaghetti smells good.
We're gonna need a little bit more water.
Sure.
See that fire?
Let me zoom in on the fire. Okay. Say goodbye to the audience.
Bye.
Come back to my show. What are you going to cook next week for your audience?
But the spaghetti's are dead.
Oh. How about eggplant parmesan?
Okay.
You want to wave goodbye to the audience? Well, you have to look at them.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Come back
Come
again.
back again.
See you next week.
See you next week.